Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss 1 by 3 of 1/3. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. So first, many people read it wrong, 1 by 3 of 1/3, and they don't know the meaning of 1/3 and of how to use it. So let's learn in this video. 1 by 3 of 1/3 means it is in fraction where 1 is numerator and third is denominator. So fraction is in terms of P by Q. So 1/3 is 1 in numerator and third means 3 in denominator. So 1/3 is 1 by 3. Now of we can write multiplication 1 by 3. 1 times 1 is 1 and 3 times 3 is 9. So many people do it wrong because they don't know the meaning of this correctly. So 1/3 of 1 by 3 of 1/3 is 1 by 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.